Hello children, in previous class we have studied plant fiber, that is cotton, climatic condition for cotton, process of making fiber, harvesting, gaining, advantages of cotton fabric, disadvantages and uses of cotton. Let's continue with the lesson. Next plant fiber is jute. Have you seen gunny bags? What is the purpose of using these bags? Do they look attractive? You must have seen them in packaging material or for carrying heavy materials like grocery or sugar. These gunny bags are made of jutes. Para-jute fiber is obtained from the stem of jute plant. It is a long and shiny fiber. India is the leading producer of jute in the world. Almost 85% of the world's jute production is done in India. Sundarbans Delta of West Bengal and the state of Bihar and Assam are suitable for its growth. Bangladesh cultivates plenty of jute. It is one of the cheapest natural fiber. Jute is easy to grow and does not cost much to cultivate. Climatic condition for jute is it is well grown in areas with plenty of rainfall. It requires alluvial or fine grained soil which contain silts. It is cultivated between February to May and harvested after 4 to 5 months. Next one is harvesting. Jute plants are harvested when they are at their flowering stage. Achieve height of 6 to 10 feet. They are cut from the root and made into bundles. Ratings. What is ratings? These bundles are then soaked in water for about 20 days. Flowing clear and soft water is ideal. This results in loosening of individual fibers from the stem. This process of rotting the stem and separation of individual fiber from the bark of the plant is called retting. Incomplete submersion, absorption and retting in the stagnant water produce inferior quality fiber. Over retting also causes weak fiber. This crop should be harvested when 50% plants have pods. Next one is drying. These huge fibers are then spread out for drying under the sun. After 2 to 3 days of drying, the fibers are tied into bundles and then sent to mills. It is in the mills that fibers are transformed into jute fabric. The jute fabric is then used to make gunny bags and other jute products. Advantages of jute fibers are it is highly biodegradable and it is durable. It have lots of strength. Next is uses of jute fibers. Jute cannot be used for making cloths as its fibers are hard and coarse and it may not be comfortable to wear them. Next is there are many other materials which are made from jute fibers. Jute is used to make gunny bags, doormat, ropes, bags, sofa covers, curtains and wall hangings, etc. Some other plant fibers. First one is coir. Coir is obtained from husk of coconut, outer covering of coconut. Coir fibers are removed by soaking the husk in salt water for few months. and husk is then beaten with wooden mallets to obtain fiber from it. The fibers are then spun, dyed, and made ready for weaving. Coir is used for making mats, rugs, floor tiles, ropes, and mattresses. Next one is flax. It is also known as linseed. It is obtained from the stem of the flax plant. It is used in making fabrics for warm weather and to make ropes and twines. It is also used in making paper for currency notes. Next plant fiber is linen. It is the fabric made from flax stem. This fabric is very popular as it is comfortable to wear in both the winter and summer season. Uses are tablecloth, bed linen, curtain, now used in floor covering, geotextile and automotive industry. Next one is hemp. Hemp fibers are obtained from the bark of the hemp plant. These are used in making ropes, cloths, paper, and carpet. Hemp can be blended or twisted with other fiber, mixed with other fiber. Hemp can be blended with silk to form hemp silk and cotton to make hemp cotton. Next one is silk cotton. It is obtained from fruit of the silk cotton tree. It is also known as kapok. When fruits ripen, they burst open to release fibers which are like cotton. It is used for stuffing mattresses, pillows, sleeping bags, and life jackets. It is very silky and smooth, and therefore it cannot be weaved to make dress material. Next one is rami. Rami is obtained from stem of rami plant. Rami is also known as China grass. It is one of the oldest fiber in the world. It was used as a mummy cloth in Egypt around 5000 to 3000 before Christ. In India, it is grown in Assam, Bengal, and Bihar. It is used in making of dress material, threads, and parachute material. Waste fiber of rami are also used in making high quality paper like bank notes. They are also used for making fishing net and fishing lines. They are also woven into cloth which is used sailors on the boat. Next is animal fiber. Fibers obtained from animals are called as animal fiber. Tell me names of fibers that are obtained from animal. Very good. Silk and wool are animal fibers. First one is silk. Silk is obtained from the cocoon of silkworms. Rearing of silkworms to produce silk is called sericulture. Silkworms are fed on the leaves of the mulberry trees. Each silkworm spins around 800 meters of thread to make a cocoon. Cocoons are boiled in water to kill the worms and unwound to procure or to get the fibers. Next animal fiber is wool. Wool is obtained from the fleece of animals such as sheep, goat or rabbit or yak or camel. Removing of hairs and flakes from the animal for wool is called shearing. After shearing the hair, it is packed into bales and transported to mills. In the mills, it is cleaned and spun to fiber. Next is formation of wool. Wool has the property of retaining heat. Therefore, it is worn in winter season. It is knitted to form various winter cloths such as sweater, jacket, mufflers, scarves, and socks. It is used to make carpet. Australia is the leading producer of the wool in the world and followed by New Zealand. India is among the top 10 wool producers.